Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss an unconventional approach to retiring early. The average life expectancy in the United States is 77 years old. So, if you retire at 65, that gives you just 12 years to enjoy your life. But what if I told you there's a way to reach early retirement in as little as 7 years, regardless of your income? Yes, it's possible, and I know because I've done it myself. So, let's break it down year by year and learn how you can retire in 7 years. Year 1 is all about saving money. Lowering your expenses is crucial. Cut back on housing, transportation, and food costs. Check out our video on how to save $10,000 quickly for more tips on this. Your goal for the first year is to save around $10,000. It requires discipline and frugal living, but it sets the foundation for your journey. Moving on to year 2, it's time to start a side hustle. Saving money alone has its limits. You can either trade your time for more money by doing part-time jobs like delivery driving or find a way to build a business. Personally, I started a YouTube channel, which didn't generate income for the first couple of years. But for you, it could be starting a small online business. Remember, the key is to save 100% of your side hustle income. Put it into a high-interest savings account and resist the urge to touch it. Congratulations, you've made it to year 3. By now, you should have $25,000 saved up. In year 3, we introduce a concept called house hacking. It involves buying a 2 to 4 unit property using a first-time homebuyer loan. You live in one unit and rent out the others. This strategy allows you to cover your mortgage, taxes, and insurance with rental income. Look for ways to optimize your cash flow and make the most of your housing situation. Now it's year 4, and things are really starting to happen. You're already familiar with the house hacking strategy, so it's time to scale up. Acquire another 3 or 4 unit property using a first-time homebuyer loan or a low down payment conventional loan. By adding more rental units to your portfolio, you're increasing your passive income. This is where the magic of compounding starts to take effect. Welcome to year 5. At this point, you have several options. You can continue house hacking, or you can focus on optimizing what you have. Take time to work on your side hustle, aiming to earn $1,000 to $3,000 per month. This may involve improving your business model or exploring new income streams. Another strategy is running an Airbnb out of your units to boost your rental income. Be creative and think outside the box. Year 6 is all about building multiple income streams. By now, your side hustle should be generating a substantial income. Aim for around $5,000 per month, which can be achieved by expanding your existing business or starting new ventures. Remember, the goal is to create income streams that are not solely dependent on your time. Read books like The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss for inspiration and ideas on how to automate and streamline your business. Congratulations, you've reached year 7, and you're on the verge of financial independence. By this point, your multiple income streams should be generating a significant amount of passive income. You may even consider quitting your day job if you haven't already. Take the time to evaluate your financial situation and determine if you have enough funds to sustain your desired lifestyle. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure you're on the right track. Let's recap the 7-year plan to early retirement. 1. Year 1. Save money by cutting expenses. 2. Year 2. Start a side hustle and save 100% of the income. 3. Year 3. Implement house hacking to reduce housing costs. 4. Year 4. Scale up your rental property portfolio. 5. Year 5. Optimize your existing income streams and aim for $1,000 to $3,000 per month from your side hustle. 6. Year 6. Build multiple income streams and aim for $5,000 per month. 7. Year 7. Evaluate your financial independence and determine if you can retire early. Remember, this plan requires discipline, dedication, and a willingness to make sacrifices in the short term for long-term gains. It's not an easy journey, but it's possible if you're committed to your goal of retiring early. Disclaimer: this plan may not be suitable for everyone. It's essential to do your own research, consult with professionals, and assess your financial situation before making any significant decisions. That concludes our guide on how to retire early in 7 years. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and lifestyle content. Until next time, stay focused on your goals and enjoy the journey to early retirement.